Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you Aries and what's going on. What are the messages for Aries? Ten of Swords, Queen of Pentacles and the Star. Okay, the Chariot. Nine of Pentacles and Judgment. Okay, Six of Swords. Six of Pentacles and Queen of Swords. Under the deck, Ace of Pentacles. You are achieving financial stability. You are more on concentrating on your career, Aries, in these recent times, because a lot of Pentacles energy is here. You are concentrating on yourself. You are investing energy on yourself. There is financial abundance is coming in your way. For some who are searching for job or career, stable career, it is coming. It is long term. In relationship also, this is a long-term commitment is coming in your way. So let's see Aces new beginnings in your life. So let's see your reading recent past. Ten of Swords, Queen of Pentacles and the Star. So Aries, Ten of Swords and Queen of, you are very caring and giving person but something is going wrong because Ten of Swords energy, you are in so much pain. That's why you are holding back your emotions right now, because this is not Queen of Cups, this is Queen of Pentacles. Now you are concentrating, you decided to concentrate on your career rather than your relationship. It is temporary, okay? Right now you decided you have to put 100% on your career, because a lot of Pentacles energy and the Star, there is something positive is coming in your life, positive shift Aries. But even though you are working on yourself, you are working on your career, you still want rebirth in this connection, because Ten of Swords is rebirth. And present Chariot, Nine of Pentacles and Judgment. So yeah, you are moving towards your career and making it progress, even though it is very slow progress, because the Cancer, very slow moving energy, Chariot. The person involved in this connection could be Cancer also, but you will achieve your success, because Nine of Pentacles, you will stand by your power and Judgment. You are going to make some major decision. It's a decision time for you, Aries. Future, Six of Swords, Six of Pentacles and Queen of Swords. Two sixes. So Six of Swords. So some communication is coming. Someone want to fix the things between both of you if you have any issues. For some, I think you want to move on from this person, because Six of Swords with Queen of Swords. You are very clear. Because you already made decision, Judgment is here. So maybe you deserve best. You want best. I am getting this message from these two cards. If they don't offer what you want, you cut off them in your life and you decided to move on, because there is no equal give and take, Six of Pentacles. And here another case, someone is coming back to fix the things. Maybe they want to offer equal give and take. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get clear picture what's going between you and your person. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings. See the Star. They're thinking about you very positively. So Aries, first we will see your person current feelings, then we will see their actions. Okay. Knight of Wands. Fire energy. They're in fire. Five of Cups and Six of, yeah. See again, there is no equal give and take in past. This is your person. Maybe you decided to move on from this person, then they're coming back. Okay, when you decided to move on, they're coming back. And King of Pentacles, yeah, they want to offer stability and they're very passionate about you because Knight of Wands, they're very attracted to you, Aries. And Five of Cups, they're feeling sad for what had happened between both of you. And Six of Pentacles, this time they really want to offer equal give and take. Six of Pentacles, I think in past there is no equal give and take, but now your person really want to offer equal give and take. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Aries. Your person near future actions. Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, 2 times Ace of, Eight of Wands. Communication, lots of communication is coming in your way. And under the deck, the Star again. They're hoping new beginnings with you. They're hoping that relationship is going to be next level. There is a lot of hope and they see you as a star in their life. And Nine of Pentacles, maybe your person also very abundant and very rich, financially stable. For some your person also working towards their career and goals. Ace of Pentacles and Eight of Wands. They really want to offer long-term commitment and lots of communication. They're going to open up their true feelings to you. Yeah. In near future, definitely lots of communication is coming in your way and they really open up to you and express their true feelings, Aries. Eight of Wands, communication, long-term commitment. Yeah, they're ready to offer equal give and take and long-term commitment. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Lord of Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles and the Tower. Seven of Pentacles. It could be you or your person. One person is waiting for the other person in this connection. Because one person is invested a lot in this connection, they're the other person. This could be you or your person. Maybe your person waiting for you to approach. But I think if you are not taking any move, they will make a move. Because lots of communication is here. One person will make a move towards you, towards one another. But your person will communicate with you because Eight of Wands. And they really want to express their true feelings. Because Knight of Pentacles, they realize you both, they want to express the true, they want to come back. Maybe this time your person is very serious about you and very serious about this relationship. Because they are undergoing some Tower moment without you. Yeah. Two Aces, new beginnings, lot of chances for new beginnings. Because you both wishing for the same. Hanged Man. Hermit, yeah. You're not talking with your person, Aries, right now. Maybe you're stuck, maybe you're spiritually awakening, undergoing, and you isolated yourself from all and undergoing spiritual awakening. Yeah. Second chances, Justice. Four of Swords. No contact situation between both of you guys. Right now, it could be you, Aries. You are not talking to them but thinking about them a lot. Four of Swords. You are healing yourself. You are meditating. Maybe you both are on the same page, but Justice, second chances, communication, clarity is coming. Justice is also about marriage, new beginnings. So, the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo. Yeah. They're coming back. Lots of communication is coming. Then it's up to you. You also feeling stuck and undergoing spiritual awakening, Aries. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Page of Wands, communication. One person is younger than the other person in this connection. You also heartbroken without your person. Yeah, there is obsession between both of you. One person is obsessed with the other person. Tower. You both are on the same page. I already told you the Tower. You also undergoing the Tower moment. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Seven of Wands. They won't give up on you because they're having so much hopes on this connection. And Eight of Cups. Maybe they have regrets now. Maybe your person is walked away in fast. Now they're feeling regret. And King of Pentacles, they really want Ace of Cups. See, they have so much love for you, and they really like you so much. King of Pentacles, they want to offer stability, but they're coming back, but they're feeling regret, because if they walked away in past, now they're feeling regret, and they have regrets. Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you. Yeah, they want second chance, because the Justice is mutual card. Definitely there are some second chances. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. So lot of aces in this reading. Definitely new beginnings, lot of you guys, between both of you in near future. Confidence is your key to success, Aries. This is the message for you from universe. So if you are doing any work, if you are doing anything in your life, be confident, okay? It is the key to your success. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.